Today we are showing you the Husqvarna 770 demo saw. This is a 22-pound saw with 5 horsepower, and it's the most powerful in the market. It's a 50 to 1 gas to oil ratio. It's so sensitive it won't even run if you get the ratio wrong. It will just idle. 22 pounds, 5 horsepower. You get the blade, the saw, and the gloves. So check out Concrete Tools Direct's website. Guaranteed lowest prices. And here's the gloves. So you get the gloves come separate, the blade comes separate. When you pull out of the box, you just put the blade on. 50 to 1 gas to oil. Fire right up first bowl. Thank you very much. I hope you buy the saw and enjoy it. Delivery's 3 to 5 days. They're known for it. So if you go on their website, Concrete Tools Direct, you can get the highest quality tools. When they're selling Husqvarna, you know they have good stuff. This is quality with power. This thing's 5 horse. It weighs 22 pounds. So weight to power is insane. This is a 5 horse saw, and it weighs 22 pounds. So, ooh, see that? You guys like that? And they're dealing with the highest quality concrete company on YouTube, so I'm going to be doing the highest quality tools. Like I said, I get a lot of collabs for some crappy stuff. I don't even pay attention to it, but I saw this saw and I already knew how good it was because I've had one of these. But this thing's amazing. It's 50 to 1 gas to oil ratio. And if you don't get the right ratio, you can't mess the saw because it'll just idle. You'll go, it won't go. It's so sensitive, it's unbelievable. We're gonna get to cutting. This thing falls to the wall. Husqvarna always has major horsepower for high quality. But this thing is badass. I mean, this is a 5 horsepower demo saw. I just cut all this, and it went through it just like butter. We're gonna demo this out, but I don't want to screw the scoping up. What do you guys think of that? Go on Concrete Tools Direct and buy the saw if you guys are looking for it. Concrete Tools I get, so how many collaborations, lady, do I get a month? I mean, a week,
20.
at least 15 or 20.
Yeah.
And my guys won't use the stuff, and I don't want to put stuff that's not quality. This is Husqvarna. It speaks for itself. So I have an affiliate link down below. Check it out. Buy this saw. They have everything. It's only concrete tools. That's what I liked about it. They have the top of the line, walk behind saws, generators, jackhammers, whackers, vibrators. It's all this quality. And if you go back in the live, and it'll be on my full video, and watch me cut with it, you will be amazed. K770 Husqvarna. It's 22 pounds. It weighs 22 pounds. It has 5 horsepower. I just cut with it. You guys can see it on the live or on the next video. I have a partnership with Concrete Tools Direct. I get a new tool every month, and they give a giveaway every month, so go on their website and I will demo it on all my jobs. They have the lowest prices guaranteed and the fastest shipping. So that's Concrete Tools Direct. Check them out. I'm linked, collab with them. We're ready to go. And if you get the mixture wrong, the saw will just idle. So you can't ruin it. This saw is so technical. It's probably the best demo cutout saw I've ever cut with. 5 horsepower. So thank you very much for checking it out, and see you on Concrete Tools Direct and our lives, West Coast Custom Concrete. There you go, the best of the best. Hi, I'm Anthony, the owner of West Coast Custom Concrete. I'm proud to present this opportunity for all my viewers and subscribers for the collaboration I have with Concrete Tools Direct. Every month they do a sweepstake, and they give away the most top-of-line, best high-end concrete tools you can get. This month they're giving away the K770 bundle. It's a Husqvarna demo saw. And the description is in my link in bio on all my videos. And you can also check out my favorite tools. There's a whole list of what I like. And every month they do a new sweepstakes, and you guys can win for free. It's definitely worth trying. You have nothing to lose. And you can check out all the tools on the website. Feel free to check out Concrete Tools Direct's website and West Coast Custom Concrete on YouTube. Thank you very much.